Hello guys, I hope you're all well. In today's I'm going to share with you a small clip. It's happened to me. I was approaching a traffic light. Traffic light went red, and this guy on the e-bike, he just went past on the red traffic light. Now why I'm making this video, because a lot of people ask me that if we stop at the traffic light and when the light goes amber and green, do we need to check our mirrors before we move? This small video will explain to you, yes, it's very important. Now imagine for 1 minute that you are at the traffic light, which is red, and now it's gone amber. At amber you check your mirrors and move. Now if you don't check your mirrors, and what if somebody, motorcyclist or cyclist, is overtaking you? How would you know? So it's very important, guys, that please whenever you stop at the traffic lights, before you move, check your mirrors. It's very important. Same if you are stuck in traffic less than more than 10 seconds, 11 seconds, when you move, check your mirrors again. So I hope this will help you a lot, and please guys, keep supporting, keep like my videos, subscribe my channel, and really appreciate all of your support. Thank you.